But in the worst of it, he said I was going through 43-mile-an-hour gusts.
Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay.
All right, guys, so we ended up doing our 2-hour sleeper split last night. And Cornell called me and was like, hey, can you go to the TA on I-80 so you can stop at, or we're probably getting loaded out of Hastings, Nebraska tomorrow. I was like, yeah, sure. Well, I was gonna take a nap because I was like, might as well use my 2-hour split. And I went to take a nap and I literally slept for like 6 hours. And I was like, he called me this morning, he's like, why are you still there? And I was like, well, you see, I fell asleep for like 6 hours and there wasn't enough time for me to drive there and take a 7-hour break. So I just stayed here, which, I mean, honestly, the only thing that hurts staying here is like how many miles I can drive today. So I can still drive like 700 or 650 miles today though. And I think Iowa 80 is pretty close to 680 miles away from me. So can we go, or we're not gonna have enough time? I'm not gonna have enough time. Damn it, I was hoping to get rolling. I have to make up some good time. It's really windy today too though, so we might have to slow down just to, I want to go, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do it to him. I was gonna pull out, but I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do it to that guy because he was already full rowing and he's probably grain hauling, so he's probably max weight. This entrance sucks. Alright, I'm going. I'm going. Oh, shift. Come on, truck. That truck stop though, the guys I delivered to yesterday, I told them, they're like, where are you gonna stop? He's like, I'm going back to that Agnew truck stop or whatever. He's like, oh, they got really good food, dude. They had like beer can chicken. That was really good. It was like super moist, super juicy. And then I had the cheeseburger and I put onions and pickles on it. Oh my gosh, dude. He's making me like want to go home and like buy a flat top or a Blackstone and like pretty much, you know, make smash burgers. Oh yeah, it's a windy day out. We need to get loaded. So we're empty, right? And I think the GoPro's gonna die here soon. I'll change the batteries when I get to the shipper. But we're empty. And I called Cornell because I could feel the trailer sliding, dude. Like, this wind is no joke right now. It's dying out. Like, I went through the worst of it already. But in the worst of it, he said I was going through 43-mile-an-hour gusts. So it says this truck, we got loaded. It says it weighs 40,000 pounds. But I have a hard time believing that because with the tandems all the way back when they loaded me, we had 55 pounds on the suspension gauge, and now we moved the tandems all the way up and it's 50 pounds. So if it's really 40,000 pounds, I'm probably gonna have to drive with my tandems all the way to the rear of the trailer. We're trying to load up the way my truck right now, so this is where we're at. Confirm. We have a different trailer number now, and I forget the BOL number. So anyways, we're submitting our weigh scale ticket here. Hopefully it's legal because I really don't want to slide them all the way to the rear. That's gonna suck. I hate doing that. I have to swing really wide to pull in places and stuff. Yeah, I knew there's no way it's 40,000 pounds. So I counted the pallets though, so the guy loaded me right, because I was like, dude, it says 40,000. But we got 26 on the drive and 27 on the trailer. And so we are actually short, let's see, so 1,000, 9,000. So we could actually have 15,000 pounds more on the trailer and be legal. So there's no way it's 40,000 pounds. I think they just put that on there just to be safe than sorry. But it's nowhere near that. If I had to guess, there's probably like 36,000 pounds in the box right now. So we stopped and got fuel. We're gonna park and do a 30-minute break, get dinner. I've been, oh boy, I gotta wait, I guess. I've been trying to, oh my gosh. I've been trying to eat a little better, and by that I mean like I've been trying to eat like one meal a day, and then have a protein shake and like a protein bar. So we're gonna go and see if we can find a parking spot here to do a 30-minute break. I remember I parked at this Love's one time with CFI. That was kind of a pain. Looks like there's a couple pull-throughs there, so that's what we're gonna shoot for. We're gonna go down here and pull around. Just makes more sense. Maybe it's not a pull-through? I thought we might have had...
Turn right, then turn left.
Bro, why is this guy taking up 2 spots? What a jackwagon, dude.
Turn right, then turn left.
Because that was going to be an easy spot to take, but what we're just going to do here is just make a U-turn. Oh, I guess there might be a pull-through here. Close. Alright, so now we're gonna take a 30-minute break and we're gonna run in and do all that fun stuff. Just gonna go off duty, break, get some more hours out back, and then figure out where we're gonna park for the night, go off duty. Let the recruiting begin, guys. I ran into a CFI, he had his CB on, he was at the Love's, and I was like, hey man, how you liking it? He's like, oh, I hate it, I've been here for 6 months. I was like, oh yeah? Well, hold on. And we were at this Love's over here, and he's like, I'm going down to Menards to park for the night. And I was like, all right, man. So I came over and talked to him, and I think I got him sold on the GP thing. I gave him my phone number, and he said he's gonna give them a call tomorrow and use me as a referral. So I told him about all the positive things, and I even showed him. I accidentally I didn't accidentally, but I showed him my miles and stuff, and he's like, dude, I'm lucky to get 6,000 a month. And I was like, yeah, I've only done 3 weeks. I'm working on my 4th one right now. I was like, I've already done this amount of miles. And he's like, gosh, dang, dude, that's more than I get. And I was like, yeah. But we talked to him for about 20 minutes, and I was like, all right, man, I got to get rolling. I got to make it over to Iowa 80 tonight. So that's where we're headed now. We're headed over to Iowa 80, and then we'll shut down for the night. Well, you guys already know the drill. Oh my goodness. Coming in a little bit hot here. Leave this left lane. We're gonna stop at Iowa 80 for the night. It's about 150 miles away from our delivery. Supposed to deliver at 1 p.m. tomorrow. It's currently 11:40 something, 11:43, and so we need to do a post trip. So we're shutting down about midnight, and then that means we could wake up at 10 a.m. But it's due at 1 p.m. and we have 150 miles, which is about 2 hours and we'll say 30 minutes to be on the safe side. So technically we can get up about 10:10, do our pre-trip, roll at about 10:25, and we'll be there right at 1 as long as we don't hit any traffic. But it's pretty much I mean, I could get up at 10 and start my clock and all that, but I try to wait till the last second to do that, because you just never know. There should be parking. There's like 900 spots at Iowa 80, so not really that worried about finding somewhere to park here. But yeah, I want to know, have you guys ever been to Iowa 80 truck stop? I think it's the world's largest truck stop, and I don't know why like one of these like TAs or whatever haven't made one larger, just to be like, ha ha ha, you're not the largest anymore. But I guess, I mean, like, if I was like Love's or something, dude, because there's got to be a better location for a bigger truck stop than here in Iowa on Iowa 80, bro. this is definitely not the most traveled fucking, gosh dang it, I cussed, I'm tired. This is definitely not the most traveled road in America, without a doubt. I would say like they could use a truck stop this big in Atlanta, but actually enforce like no drop trailers, like actually pay someone to drive around the lot, and if there's a drop trailer, to tow it. I think that would be really good. Because like you go to a lot of these truck stops in these big cities and they just, everything's been like dropped, and then like you gotta, you know, and it's just hard to find parking for drivers. Like, it's one thing to drop a trailer for like half an hour and go get dinner, but it's another thing to drop a trailer all night. I was like, oh, there's a CFI, I wonder if it's my old one, but I highly doubt it, so we're not even gonna go look. Doesn't, yeah, doesn't even look like the right numbers. So we're gonna try to find a spot here. I don't know why you're beeping at me. I shut that music off, come on. Take it easy, take it easy. Let's see if we can find something here. I probably got too close to the truck stop. I probably should have went like a couple of rows back. This one? Nope. Thought it might be one. It's the only bad thing of, oh, I'm glad that wasn't even a spot. I can smell a cattle hauler. That's a nice T680. That lime green one. Alright, let's see. Where can we find one? Let's go. I don't. There's got to be at least one spot in this whole place. Even if it's a blind side. Oh, there's a cab over truck. Oh, I guess it's not. Kind of thought it was. Dude, is there really not a single spot here? That would be absolutely insane if all like 900 spots were filled. I think I see some over there. I know I need to clean off my windshield, fellas. Oh yeah, there's some. This is, okay, maybe I lied. Maybe there is enough spots. Maybe there needed to be this many spots here. You know what I'm saying? Oh, we're just gonna take one of these. Can't really tell where that one truck went. That's a nice looking Pete. That's a sweet looking truck, dude. He knows it, that's why he's here. Yeah, this isn't gonna be our best back job, I'll tell you that right now. It's okay, we'll fix it here in a second. Shift, bro. scared me when the truck didn't want to go in reverse. Well, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe for future content. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay. Keep those wheels turning and we do this every day. Backing up a trailer, look at all the roads I've driven. Come and ride with me, yeah, let me show you how I'm living. Come on.